Hi, I'm Joe with Avatar Exteriors, a friendly, family-owned pool installation and remodeling company here in Metro Atlanta. We are proud to bring fun and relaxation to your home with one of our custom pool installations. Pool installations can be intimidating, but our team will walk you through every step of the way to make sure you have a great experience throughout the entire process. Once your vision is on paper and we have an approval quote, the installation begins. Our team starts by digging into the yard to build the form of the new pool. Then we set a steel form and frame the structure to shoot the concrete. This will build the foundation shell of your new pool. Once the foundation is in place, then we start with the coping and tile installation, always making sure we do a professional and quality work every step of the process. After coping and tile are in place, we build the deck, which we can use several finishing to customize the pool as per your request. Our last step would be the plaster or pebble application. At this point, your pool will be ready to use and have a blast with your friends and family. In addition to new pool installation, we also do pool remodeling. If you need an update, adding a spa or a fountain, we can take care of that too. Our experience in pool construction means we know the ins and outs of pool remodeling. We are a trusted choice for all of your pool construction and remodeling needs. No one is able to give you a better pool installation experience than the team here at Avatar Exteriors. We are a detail-oriented, professional team who is prepared to make your pool dreams come true. Hiring a company with experience in pools is essential to have an outstanding, successful swimming pool installation. Here at Avatar Exteriors, we have many projects in our portfolio, proving our track record in the industry from partial to full swimming pool remodel here in Metro Atlanta, where you can appreciate the quality of work performed by our team. Give us a call today and allow us to become the contractor for your swimming pool installation or remodeling project. Don't wait, call now, and thank you for choosing Avatar Exteriors.